Welcome back to Room. This is door called ATTABOY. My name is Manny, and I am number 1. Welcome back to Railway Track Invisible Room. This is Chris. All together along steams on main line. Room train. For a while. It was an excitement day for the room train, all the engines busy with working. Cap top our names, Oliver, Vulgar. This once have you never mean, puffed Oliver. I fear the derailment this weekend, puffed Vulgar. Then David had arrived at coupled up to Vulgar. Suit his driver will have always seen it, David said. And David sped away. Other engines came and went. But Oliver and Vulgar thought last of them all. Fast around passes. Vulgar and Oliver had arrived in pleas into each other. Connor has arrived at platform is a very himself. David returns at the university shed. I used into a green one and black one, said Vulgar. David sent to bathroom for a big water. Vulgar had erected, said Oliver. Associated with a group tried onto a train whistles blowing. I read sign at danger trucks. I this brilliant are special and Duke Falcon are and the, said David hopefully. David was delighted. Becomes a very farewell, said Connor, specially with Sans Nova with name. I had really good time together with the preview, puffed David ignoring. High score of the Piston Cup racing team like Speedy, said Oliver. Oliver game you guys have seen in this break is Atlanta is back, puffed Vulgar. Puff forward is the best, said David, and he puffed away. And Connor had to work at this dress down into break time. Oliver and Vulgar would put half to being nonsense. David was gear up for a little like Gator and Connor. Gator is a shunting. Gator, said Connor. It was the green. It came upstairs to bathroom. I username to text free up to bathroom taking her shower. David banged into a water. And he was top off onto a lift. Water fell off into a David. Spill on ground. Take him sticker of his melt on his sides. David fell off into a sticker comes off. And sides are wet and dry. Decals and icons. I have to new one sticker, said Connor. Gator Vulgar Oliver and Connor watches Rondo new working forward into taking some trucks. I had tray with a lot more than certain times I had arrived at the salt flats, said Connor, lie up and down cliff with scrap metal for the Nehemiah letter. Buckled up his train. I saw they years, said Jason. And Connor set off to the main line for at Tunnel Bridge. Connor is the best, said Oliver. I have to don't worry that we serve, said Vulgar. I had a Connor as being Rondo the Steamy, said Gator. And all together. Gator, Oliver, and Vulgar. Hey, said Connor, I found our best. Connor traveling passing by. Rondo was happy along the lights. However, this week is happening to us about really, Rondo huffed. Rondo steaming along the way I was the moving.